Hi everyone, today we're going to do an activity with the children and see how well the children know Australia's famous landmarks. So for this activity, what we did is we printed out a map of Australia, laminated, and we laminated some of Australia's famous landmarks. There you've got the Sydney Opera House, Port Arthur, the MCG, Kangaroo Island, the Great Barrier Reef, Rottnest Island, and Uluru. Okay, so what the activity that we're going to do today is we're going to see if you know Australia's states by their landmarks. So, have you heard of the Sydney Opera House? Flynn? No? What about you, CJ? Have you heard of the Sydney Opera House? No? Or what about Uluru? Ayers Rock. Okay, I'll help you with this. Okay. So which one shall we do first? Shall we do my favourite, Melbourne Cricket Ground.
Water.
So, where do you think this one goes? Does it go in Western Australia?
Maybe.
Where do you think it goes then, CJ? It goes in Queensland. Do you know where I think it goes? I think it goes in Victoria.
Victoria, yeah?
Yeah, we live in Victoria.
I live in Australia.
Yes, and this is a map. This is a map of Australia. So we live in one part of Australia called Victoria. And in Victoria we have Melbourne's cricket ground.
My name.
No,
Daisy.
that is called New South Wales. So this is New South Wales.
Is that Japan?
Let me see. No, that's not Japan. That's called Adelaide.
How about
And
here?
That's called Western Australia.
This one?
That's called Queensland.
This one?
Northern Territory.
This one?
South Australia.
This one?
New South Wales.
How about that one?
That's called ACT,
That
Canberra.
one?
Sydney,
That one?
ACT, so that's Australian Capital Territory.
Okay, this one.
So where does that one go? Where do you think Port Arthur is?
This one.
Oh, we're all loving Western Australia, are we?
Yeah.
You guys picked Western Australia first.
How about
No.
me?
This one is in Tasmania.
Tasmania.
And Tasmania is this little island over here.
You mean this one?
So we stick that over there.
How about that one?
Oh, this is my favourite. I've been to Rottnest Island and I love it. Where do you think it goes? No? No? Yes. It's in Western Australia. Good job.
How about this?
I love Rottnest
The first
Island.
one.
Where do you think the Sydney Opera House goes to?
Here.
Not in the Northern Territory. Not in Queensland.
This one.
Not in South Australia.
This one.
Yay! In New South Wales. In
How
New
about this
South,
one? How about this one?
well, in New South Wales is where we'll find the Sydney Opera House.
How about this one?
This is Kangaroo Island.
Where's Kangaroo? This goes here.
Right.
This one?
Maybe what else haven't we chosen?
Yeah. This one.
Yes. To go and visit Kangaroo Island, you need to go to South Australia.
This one?
Now, where did that's called Uluru. Where do you think that one goes to?
Here?
That's right, CJ, Northern Territory.
Yeah. How about this one?
Did you know that 2.5 kilometres of Uluru is underground? So we finished our activity and we've placed our landmarks by each state. So if you go to Northern Territory, you'll find Uluru. If you go to Queensland, you'll find the Great Barrier Reef. If you go to New South Wales, you will find the Sydney Opera House. If you come to Victoria, you will see the Melbourne Cricket Ground or MCG. If you go to Tasmania, Port Arthur. If you go to South Australia, Kangaroo Island. And my favourite, which I have been, is if you go to Western Australia, you will find Rotten Nest Islands. Did you know that the Great Barrier Reef is the planet's largest living structure? Okay, we say bye and thanks for watching.
Bye. Thanks for